Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to make a lip sync chart for this girl. So let me make this layer as a symbol. So I will just press F8. Okay, I need to enable something which is this one, and let me close this and let me open this again. Now what, I have selected this mouth sim layer. Let me turn this as a symbol. Now let me name this as a mouth and I will hit OK. Now what, I will double click here and then I can add a blank layer, and also I will enable this onion skin so we have a better understanding where is our previous mouth shape. Now what, I'm going to use this pencil tool to draw our mouth, but you can use this line tool, it's best for mouse, but right now I'm using stylus pen, so I'm using this pencil tool. Now let's draw this. Okay, we need some adjustment here. Let me do that. Excuse me. Okay. Going to pencil tool. Now I'll select this. What is this? Object drawing mode. Smoothing. What if I draw? Yes. Now we can draw. I think I need some adjustment here. Like this one. I think I will increase the smoothing option to 100%. Let me change this. Okay. Okay, I need a layer. I name this as a BG. Now I need to simply import a file. Sorry, import image to this stage. Now which image I need? I think this image is good. I'll move this image here and we can pick this color and we can start coloring this area. And I don't need this extra portion. Okay, what next? Simply I can use a line tool like this, and if I disable this onion skinning, let me show you how it looks. I need a highlighter that we have here. No, I don't think so. Let me import another image. Import to stage. Let me find out which one has a better highlight. Okay, I will import this image. Let me choose this color and I will choose this time brush tool, and we can start drawing here. Okay, let me select this layer and now
पार्सल था आपका फ्लिपकार्ट का।
हेलो,
पार्सल था आपका फ्लिपकार्ट का, बाहर खड़ा हूँ भैया।
आ रहा हूँ नीचे।
हाँ,
Give me 5 minutes. I will come back. Oh my god. I'm back. Let me continue our work. What I'm doing actually, uh, I need to change brush size, which is good right now. Okay. Now what? Uh, I need to change change sensitivity. Let me select the tool and I will disable this. Use bracer. Now what? I can draw here. Oh my god. Brush size is 26, which I don't want it. Now we can start drawing here. Okay. Next mouth shape, which is this one. Let me create a series of this frame. Now I can insert a blank keyframe, layer outline or guide toggle. Okay, I will undo this. And then I will use this one. I need to change a settings, keyboard shortcut. I will select the default set read only. Then let me see if I can insert. Okay, F7, remove frames. Okay, now let me enable this. I need a guide layer also. What I can do is simply create a new layer. This time I will draw a line here. Okay, and I will lock this layer. And first layer is selected. We can start drawing. Okay, I need some adjustment. Okay, let me fill this with color, but first I need to make it less thick. And first I will pick this color. Then I will select this color. I think it's not working, so I will import another image. Import to stage. Let me find out which image is perfect. This time I will choose this color. Okay, what next? I will select this portion and I will delete this. I will select this layer, undo this, and start brushing this area. Okay, now let's move to the next mouth shape, which is this one. Now I think I don't need to use I think I'll use this line tool. It's difficult to use a pencil tool, so that is why I'm switching. Come on. Okay, give me one more time and let me see if there is any changes. No, it does not have changes. Now it has changes some. We can okay, where we are actually. I think we are here. Okay, what I have done. Let me select all this screenshot again. And let me move here. We have created the 3 layers, right? The first one is this one, and the second one is this one, and it has the same layer, right? We can start working here. And now I need to add a blank keyframe here, and we can start working here. Another line I need to draw here. Let me connect this here. And now what? We need a line here. Need some curvy line. And we can just do like this. And we need to add some point here. Let me do that. And here also. Just like this. Let me pick the color. Okay, let me go back. It's the same color, right? Now let me select this color. Okay. Give me some time, guys. My mouse is not working. And what I can do, simply change the this port. Yeah, this is not working. What I can do, simply use different mouse. Okay, we can start our work. What we are going to do is removing this portion. Okay. Next thing we can do, let me change let me see how it looks. Okay, let me hide this thing. Need to hide this one also. Okay, let me add looping, and let me play. Okay, let me see again. It does look like she say something. Now I think I need to find out what mouth shape I need. Okay, I think I have draw everything. Let me close this uh, this image. Let me use here. Let me undo everything, and I will go back. And this time I will select images from here, and let me use this 6 image. We can turn off this loop effect and enable this onion skinning, and we need a blank keyframe to start our drawing. Okay, now I need to find the ideal mouse shape. So this is our rest mouse position. Okay. We can start work our mouse. Okay. Now I need something like that. I need another line here and curves line here. And I need to add some points. Okay. Let me take this color and I will use this selection tool and I will deselect extra portion. Let me undo. And delete this extra mouth shape. Okay, now what? I will go here and choose this color and I will start painting here. Just I need to select this color here and I will choose this brush and then let me choose tool. Everything is okay right now. Okay, now I think we need to change its size. I think it's okay. I don't need to do any editing. We can start working on this mouth shape. Let me add another blank keyframe. I need to maintain its curves, and then I need a teeth here. Okay, now this time I will use another line tool and I will match this here. And we need like this mouth shape. Okay, I need some point here. So we can add something like this. Now you know what we need to adjust. It's like here. And I can again use this line tool. And so on. This is our lip. Okay, I will undo everything. Let me undo this. So what I can do is actually add another point here. Can increase its size. Okay. Now we need a line here. And we can add some curves line like this. And let me add a stroke here. Now I can choose this color. And I will take this color. And next color is this one. and next color will be this one. And I need a purely white teeth like this one. And I will delete extra lines. I need a small line here. Okay, I think I need to flip this. Modify, transform, flip horizontal. I need to change its position. I also need to transform. I need to flip this. This need to be flipped. This also need to be flipped. Okay, what about let me see. I need to create a keyframe here. Let me undo this. Let me remove this frame, clear keyframe. Okay, we can start drawing again. Let me see if we can transform this image. Preset, maximize, lock, transparent to mouse, draw, note, copy. Okay, we cannot do anything. What we can do actually on frame 7, we need less deep. Okay, now let's make curves here. What next? I need a line here. And also I need a line here. And here also. And we need a line here. This time I will select this selection tool. And then let me add a point here. And we can start um, coloring. I need teeth color. And then I will select this color. And what next? I will change like this. And I'll select this color. I'll paste here. Let me choose this color. I think I need some adjustment here. Okay, let me hide everything. I think I have some problem. Let me redraw this. Okay, let me add another line. Okay. Okay, now I think it's perfect. Let me choose this color. and this color, and this color, and this, let me undo, and this color. And lastly this color. What I can do, let me remove this strokes, I need to add extra lining here. And let me flip this. Modify, transform, flip. Vertical, horizontal. Okay, let me go back. Let me select everything. I have selected everything. Now what we can do, simply go here, modify, transform, flip to horizontal. Now we can start our work. I will go inside this layer. And you know what? I will enable this onion scaling. And I will move this layer. And I will delete this frame. Remove frames. And we have this. Let me do something looping effect. And then I will play. Let me disable this onion scaling. Okay, next, mouth shape. This is same mouth shape, and I don't need that thing. I will simply just going to undo here. Now I'll go here and let me find out which mouth shape I need this time. This time I will take this mouth shape. And this will become our natural mouth shape. So let me disable this loop effect and we can start drawing. What I can do, let me think. I can use this line tool again, and I need to create a blank keyframe. I'll pick this color and paste here. And I don't need this stroke. I will simply select this losser tool and select this portion. And I uncheck this and delete this. I think we need to delete this. And what next we can do? I need to delete the extra portion. Okay, next we can start working our next mouth shape, which is this one. Let me add blank keyframe and we can start working. Now I need to add some point here. Now what we can do is simply add some line like this and line over here. And lastly, I need to create a line here. Okay, now going back, I need to select this color. And I need to select this color. And this one. And this color. And this color. Let me remove the extra portion. Which we don't want it. Okay. Now we can start drawing next shape. Which is this one. This time I will enable this onion scaling. And we can start our work. This time I will add some point here. Also, I need to add line like this. And here we go. We have made this. Let me turn off this onion scaling. And let me choose the color. Okay, I need to add lips here. Okay, we can start coloring this area. Okay, now let me select this color. Double paste here. This color, and lastly this color. Now we'll select this color. And what we can do, we don't need this stroke color. And now I need this lasso tool to select some part here. And delete this edge. As you can see, we have created this mouth shape. Now which mouth shape we need again? We need this mouth shape. It's wider, I think so. Hey, I need to think, does we have any uh, no, I don't want to ignore this. Let me start adding another frame using F8. Nope, F7. We have blank frame. Okay. Blank keyframe. We have 8 here. On frame number 11, we can start drawing this. We need another line here. Now let me add another line. Let me draw this. Okay, what next? I will add some line here. And some curves here. And now the final touch is lips. Adding here. Okay, let's see. How does it look? Okay, I need a line here. And I will select this color. Now I need to select this color. And lastly this color. So let me delete what I need to. Okay, it does look fine. I think it looks okay. Now what we can do, need to select this lasso tool here. And after that, let me select this selection tool. And I don't need this one to be selected. Okay. Now what we can do is enable this onion skinning. I need to select this and move here. And this one also I need to move. And what about this? Let's move this. And this one. Sorry. And this one also. Okay. Let me hide this. And let me enable this looping effect. And let me play. Okay, we have this. one, and lastly I need to select this mouth shape. Let me add another mouth shape, inserting a blank keyframe, and we can start drawing this. Okay, what next? I will use this tool again, which is line tool. And I will add some variation. Okay, it does show me some errors. Okay, let me undo this. Let me delete the extra one. Okay, we can start drawing other parts. And add this thing. And I need some curve here. And we have finally created our mouth shape. Now what? Let me remove the extra stroke, which I don't want it. Now let me select lasso tool and I will select only this area and I will undo everything. Now I can delete it. Okay, let me enable this onion skinning and then I can position this as here. Okay, lastly we need to make this mouth shape which looks good. Let me go here and add some blank keyframe and then let me disable this onion skin. Now what I will use this line tool and we can start add some lines. Okay, I need to add some points here. Okay. Okay, I will undo everything. I will delete this line. Let me select this line. Okay, now I can use this line tool again. And add some point here. Okay, Let me select this color. And let me fill this. And finally, we have created our lip sync animation. Let me see if we need some highlighter. Okay, I need to select this normal. I will choose this color. Okay, I think we have made our lip sync chart animation. Let me remove the extra layer which we don't want it. Delete layers. And I will name this as a mouth. And I will remove this thing. And I will go back here. I will enable everything. I'll go back. And yes. Okay, I need to go inside. It has to be delete. It has to be deleted right now. I'll go back where this is. Okay, we have made our lip sync. Do you want to see how it looks? Let me add some frames. And let me go inside. Where is, let me hide this. I need to add some frames here. And I'll go back here. I think this is okay. Okay, I will go inside this mouth shape. And now let me enable this onion skin. Let me move this Okay, I'm just rearranging its position. Okay, let me see how it looks. Let me select everything, and I will use this modify, transform, flip to horizontal, and let me see how it looks. Okay, everything looks okay. Let me remove frames, and I will save this file. Now it's time to say goodbye. I will stop this live stream.